Hi, this is Dean Moss, Dean's Team Chicago, Keller Williams Realty Partners. Here's another Chicago neighborhood real estate minute. It's time to welcome the freshness of spring into your home. Now, here are our tips and techniques to help you clean every nook and cranny of your home, just like a professional. Spring cleaning is not just about scrubbing floors and dusting shelves. It's a ritual that symbolizes renewal and a fresh start. A freshly cleaned home can reduce stress and possibly even improve your productivity. First, make a cleaning plan. Set your overall cleaning goals and break down tasks room by room. Which areas of your home need the most attention? Tackling that junk drawer, giving your home a top to bottom scrub. Now is the time to begin. Set clear goals and keep motivated when you clean. Storage solutions are your secret weapon in the battle against clutter. Seek out the right bins and baskets to maximize your available closet space. Stock up on essential cleaning tools like microfiber cloths and an all-purpose cleaner, and of course, a powerful vacuum cleaner for your home. For room-by-room suggestions, check out our full blog post via blogchicagohomes.com. Here is the link below. Happy spring cleaning.